What is up, you guys? Welcome back today to another video. As you guys can tell by the title, we have a quick unboxing from something from EndlessRPM. Just a small little touch to the TL. As of right now, I'm currently on the way to pick up some tires. We'll get them mounted on. So we're gonna get those tires mounted on, and maybe in the mix of that, we'll probably do the unboxing, or might do it at home. I'm not sure yet. I'm just kind of really anxious to open the package. I haven't opened it, but yeah. So without further ado, let's get to it. All right, guys. So we just got the tires put on. Excuse that slight pull. So I got it. So I can never talk when I get on this thing. Got the tires changed, and now there's no more. I can't even think, man. The tire sensors. So I don't know if my tires are just too bald for it to read or something, or what. But so there's no more light. I don't know if the light will come back or not. I've never had that issue, but hopefully it doesn't. I don't like lights. But yeah, so we just got those tires put on. We're gonna go wash the car up, and yeah, so get some snacks, sit back and relax. All right, guys, so we are back, and currently check-in light pops up. I did wash the car though. We got that finished, did all the errands, of course. We're gonna go ahead and head to the house and do this unboxing, and yeah. Oh, in the meantime, so the check-in is like, I don't know if it's a bad cat or just my O2 sensor, but that's what it's on for. So for people to look at them, can't even try. So for the people that might be like, dude, your check-in light's on, that's what it's for. I'm aware of that. But so we're gonna go ahead and get to the house, and yeah. With this being on, I don't know if the car feels like it has a lot more power. I'm not sure. This happened. It actually happened when I first got the car, but I haven't had it since. But for some reason, it just feels a whole lot better. Like. Yeah, I don't know. It's like as soon as I match the gas, it just instantly goes. It doesn't have a delay anymore since this is on. But yeah, that's all I want to say though.
To 6 more days later.
Sheesh. Well, you guys, what is up? I am currently at Bojangles, trying to get some food, but look at this line, you know. When I do, I'm gonna go run inside. But when I do come back out, I will be updating you guys before I go to work. All right, you guys, what is up? We're back. Ooh, something in my throat. I hope you guys can hear all this stuff. But yeah, so like I was saying, or trying to say at least, So one thing, let me back up. Check engine light, that threw me off. So that's one of the reasons why we didn't do the reveal. I guess, well, the unboxing. But check engine light threw me off. This rain has just been so, like, you know, it's been going on for like a week or two now, I think. I want to say, I can't really remember, but it's been going on for a good little minute. And it just makes everything gloomy. It slows everything down. But so I just had to bite the bullet today and just, you know, whip out the camera, just let you guys know, post this video, get it up for y'all. But yeah, so I just wanted to update you guys just right quick on that, on why we didn't do the unboxing. But as you guys can see from the cinematic, it does look pretty good with the wheel cover. But yeah, so shout out to the guys over at EndlessRPM. Like I said, it got to me pretty quick, but this is the end of the video, and it's your boy Cobb. I appreciate everybody who's made it this far, and we are out.